Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to create a handwriting effect. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. We'll start by creating a new composition. Now, the second step is to select our text tool and type in our text. So here I'm typing hello. Make sure you select the font, which is a handwritten and cursive font. So here I am selecting Sego. Sego is perfect for this kind of animation. So let us align the font to the center of the screen. Okay. Now we are done with this step. Now the next step is to select our pen tool. Make sure your text layer is selected and start drawing our path. Okay. So this is how we are going to do it. The more you spend time with these curves, the more natural your animation is going to look. So it is up to you how much time you spend on them. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be slightly, I won't be spending that kind of time. I will be doing it a bit more fast. Okay. So like this. Let me adjust this one. It was a bit tricky. So in order to add the curves to this particular point, you need to press Alt and you will get this kind of cursor, and then click on the point. So you get your curves here. So you can do this here as well. So there you go. So now let me adjust this so that okay, this is as far as it goes. So I won't be wasting much time with micro adjusting this. Okay, so you get the idea. So now that we have created our path, now the second step is to add a effect. So go into effects, search for stroke. Now here grab this and drag it onto our text layer. So now under the effects properties, first of all we will change the color so that it is more visible. We'll change it to red. Now we need to increase the brush size. So we are going to increase it up to the point that it overlaps our original text, like so. Okay. Now slightly adjust it. Okay. So once we are done with this step, what we are going to do is we are going to animate this part. So how we are going to do this? We are going to animate the end property here. So here you can see, if I move this, this is how our animation will look. So let us animate this property. We'll take our indicator 2 seconds forward and then click on the clock to add a keyframe. Now move the indicator back to the beginning of the time, and then we will change this from 100% to 0. So there you go. Our path is animated. Okay. So although we have animated our path, but we don't want the path to show. We want our original text to show. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to go into the pen style. From on original image, we are going to select reveal original image. So now you can see our original text is being revealed instead of the path. All right. You can fine tune this by selecting the pen tool and clicking on here and then moving this just so that it doesn't look out of the way. You can even adjust the brush size. Okay, so you can keep on fine-tuning this. You can spend as much time as you want to fine-tune this, but you get the basic idea of how you can animate and create this kind of handwriting effect. So now we are done with this. Now we'll look at the fun part. We are going to add a hand and make it look as if the hand is actually writing the text on the screen. So for that, I have already downloaded this hand from the internet, and I'll just drag it and drop it into my composition. So there we have it. So let me scale it up. Okay, and bring it down. We'll select this and bring it down. So the tip of the pen needs to be at the beginning of the text. So now once we have this, let me scale it up a bit so that the hand, this arm goes beyond the screen. Let me adjust the tip again. Bring it at this point. Okay. It's fine now, it's perfect. So now that we are done with this, what we are going to do is we are going to bring the anchor point to the tip of the pen. So select the anchor point tool and bring it to the tip of the pen. Like so. Okay. So in order to animate our hand to follow the text path, we need the text path. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to go into the text layer inside our mask. We'll find our text path. Now we have to just copy this path. Press Ctrl C, copy the path, and then select our image layer. Press P to reveal our position, and then select the position and press Ctrl V. Alright, now the text path has been copied onto our image. Okay, and the entire animation has been created. So first of all, let us just move this over to the text, our original text. Let me move it slightly more. There you go. So now you can see that the hand is following the text. Okay. So let me lightly adjust this, bring it to the start. Okay. There you go. So now our animation is almost complete. We will just enable the easy ease. So let me select this, press U. Now we have our keys here. Select all the keys and press F9 to enable the easy ease. So you get a much more smoother and natural effect. So there you go. So for some of you, you may have a problem that the hand is going all over the place. So for that, what you need to do is you need to select your image layer and right click on it, go into transform and select auto orient. Now here you need to turn off the auto orientation. By default it is selected as orient along the path. So if this is selected, what will happen? The hand will go all over the place. You can see here. So you may be having this problem. If you have this problem, what you are going to do is just select the image layer, right click, go into the transform, select auto orient and disable this. Okay, so now your hand will remain static. Okay, so guys, we are done with this animation tutorial. If you liked this tutorial, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.